Elise, what happens when you throw a raccoon into McDonald's?
Turns into a macaroon?
Yes, it's a macaroon. Is that funny?
Oh dear.
Yeah, she doesn't like that joke.
That was a terrible joke, and that face really says it all, doesn't it?
Yeah, we don't have to say anything.
We are making macaroons today
Preheat the oven.
to 180 degrees.
Yep.
Might be one of the areas where we went wrong, because if you're watching this, you need to know that this is not the perfect instructional video that it was
No.
supposed to be.
No, not at all. Please scrutinise and tell us what we did wrong.
But do follow the recipe. It was meant to be really simple. 4
Yeah.
ingredients, including this beautiful vanilla bean paste.
Organic.
Absolutely beautiful stuff. 4 ingredients. How could we go wrong?
I know, that's what I think.
Stay tuned to the end, because we need you to tell us. It's not a disaster. It's not one of those videos where you're going to go, oh my God.
Yeah.
But something goes wrong. I don't know exactly what. So why is separating eggs therapeutic to you?
Oh, I love it. Look at it. How can you not be relaxed by that? I learned it in food tech. It's a very relaxing technique.
You've got very hypnotic knuckles. It's wonderful. And the egg white. Now, your sister has a go with less success, but I'm still impressed she can crack an egg. I find it hard to crack an egg at all. So the
Yeah,
whole thing's
yeah.
in there, but she managed to salvage this situation, didn't
Yes, under your instruction, the cameraman.
she? Yes, and how did she do it?
She just got like there. She scooped it out with the shell. And now she's got the whole thing. She puts that straight in the bin.
Well done, Lacey. We're very impressed. So the third egg was done by you again.
Yep.
With the hypnotic knuckles. And in it goes to the bowl. We've got 3 egg whites in there.
Yep.
And at this point, we're very confident.
Yes, we are very confident. We've
The
done
only
nothing
problem
wrong.
we've got is a tiny bit of yolk in that, and it's like, who cares? Forget
Yeah,
about it. Forget about it.
Yeah.
So we're forming the soft peaks here, and
Yes.
you're doing a great job.
Thank you. Yes, so we just got to make it like a meringue, like we would a meringue.
Now, the mistake we made, I believe, please leave a comment, is that we didn't add the sugar at that stage.
Yes.
Instead, we decided after we got the soft peaks, let's add it now,
Yeah, which
led to a terrible, tragic situation, and there it is there.
that's a very sad shot.
I am afraid our little snowy mountains have disappeared.
Yes.
And the more we whisked, the further they went away.
Yeah, they were
Come
liquid.
back,
They had
come
splits. Yeah.
Yeah, not good. So, should it look like this? That's the question.
Yeah.
We need you to leave a comment and let us know.
Was that the big problem here?
We had a big conference and decided, what should we do? What should we do? Let's
Yep.
carry on. Let's be
Yes.
soldiers. Let's be warriors.
Yes, 1.5
Not
desiccated.
do what Jamie
coconut.
Oliver would do and chuck it all in the bin.
Jamie Oliver. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he
well,
would.
I don't think he'd make the mistake in the
I'm not
first place.
serving this to the people in my restaurant. I'm not serving it. No, we're starting again.
Yeah, and Gordon Ramsay would just swear.
Oh yeah, Gordon Ramsay is for another video. Now, we just decided to attack this beast.
Yeah.
We're not going to be delicate with it anymore. Folding is for sissies. We're just
sorry,
going to
I'm
attack it.
sorry. Okay.
Now, of course, the beast fought back and made a fool of us right here.
Yes, there was still a seal in that bottle.
It
so
took us about 25 minutes to work this out.
yeah, we squeezed it very hard.
But eventually we got there.
Yeah.
We worked out we actually had to remove a little peel back seal, which is there for safety and contamination purposes.
And
Doesn't
that looks
look good?
beautiful.
Ah, yum.
Espresso, Arabica.
Now, I took you over into the corner of the room and had a
Yeah.
very stern word with you off camera. 'Cause
Yes.
I didn't want that unpleasantness captured forever.
The
But I
importance of
finally got
folding.
you to learn how to fold.
Yeah, yeah.
Tip and fold, because you were like, I am folding, but you weren't
Yes,
folding.
I wasn't.
Scrunching the paper. This is a viewer feedback comment. isn't it?
Yes, in our brownies video, they said scrunch the baking paper and it will be much easier.
Thank you for that feedback, and there's a beautiful view to break up the ugliness of the kitchen episode that is happening. That scrunching thing was, a bizarre piece of feedback. I don't mean to
Yeah.
disrespect you. Can you write back and tell us why you wanted us to scrunch it? Because when it was in the pan, it bothered me, so I covered it with a smooth piece.
It's just each to their own, however you learnt
Yeah, you
it.
say each to their own, but I want to know what the purpose, what's the rationale? There must have
Yeah.
been a good point. Maybe it stops them from sticking more or something. I don't know. But
yeah.
when we couldn't justify it, these things spread like all.
Yes, you got to give them plenty of room to do that spread.
And that's what we did. Now, a bit of a clue about what happens. They're also meant to spread up.
Yes, which from looking at the end product and never having made them, I didn't know.
You guys have never ever eaten macaroons before.
Hmm.
Now, you're meant to go for about 15 minutes. We found
Yeah.
in a non-fan forced oven, 20 minutes was
Would have
better.
been better, yeah.
Beautiful cups of tea in between, plenty of time to make it.
Yeah, complements it.
Make sure that we're serving it up all well with the right, it's a whole thing, isn't it, macaroons?
I tried to put it on the bench again
Yeah, if
and
you
burn
had
the
done
bench.
that, it would have been a different ending to this video. Luckily, he came back. Well done. What do you think?
They are appetizing. It's just that they've all come together. Yeah.
That's all right. We don't mind that they've come together, but they're just they look like biscuits, and they're not meant to
Yeah.
look like that. Hard for you to. Don't do that in front of your sister. She's going to learn how to do that. See what I mean? I told you, it doesn't take long.
Yes,
That's
case
your
in
fault.
point.
If she grows up and hurts somebody, just remember this moment. We had to do a salvage operation here, didn't we?
Yes, we had to individualize them.
I felt like Dr. Patel, tinkering around
That
without any
conglomerated.
qualifications, but I knew I had to do something.
Yes, yeah.
So, look, we separated them up. We should have let them cool.
Yeah, like if we were trying to make biscuits, they would have been incredible.
Well, yeah, until you see the next shot, which is hardly fit for a queen.
Yeah, they stuck, so they
Your
crumbled.
Majesty. Imagine putting that in front of a queen at Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, she would
What
be.
is it? So it's a bit unfortunate. Look, please leave a comment. Let us know what we did wrong. And not to mention, you don't even get the look.
Yeah.
They did taste good. I liked them, but
I
that's
enjoyed
not
them.
the look.
We didn't get the look of pure satisfaction.
Exactly. Leave a comment. What did we do wrong?